What are we doing today? We need to go and check.
It's the final walkthrough for our house.
You just heard it. Welcome to my new house. Wow. So I'm gonna just clear my tears and show you my house around. This is an empty house, an empty house. I'm sure that's why you hear that echo. But here we are. Let me just turn the camera and show you. This is my home. Oh my gosh, my bag. It smells new. It smells so new. Here it is. This is my kitchen. Oh, well, this house, let me turn it around for a second. So this home, it's brand new from, bottom, top, and whatnot. So basically, it's a community where the houses are kind of like preset. You're able to choose certain things, but not everything, which to me, as you may imagine, it was so hard. So we have decided that we're gonna move in about a few weeks from now. Maybe by the time that you're watching this video, I have already moved. So there are a few changes that I'm going to do. Just a few minor, but that are important to me. The place is livable and the place smells so new. Oh my gosh. So here we have it. I'm honest with you. I love the countertops, but I would have done a complete waterfall kind of countertop, but that wasn't doable on this property. I decided to go with a darker color wood on the cabinet, just on the island, because I do have children and I always love black, walnut, darker colors, and I think this is going to be a little bit more durable as we just live in here, kids, and as we eat in a daily on this side. This house is small. It's not super big. It's 2 floors. So there you have it. There's my sink. I'm planning to change these perhaps to, I think I want brass, and that's something that I'm thinking to perhaps upgrade as I go along. Also these lightings, I'm thinking to change, not sure, but there you have it. As you can imagine, this was so hard for my husband. He's a chef. And these houses, they are not, the city prohibit any new homes to have any gas. Yes, you heard it right. So we have to have electric, which it is something that my husband is like, well, I'm going to cook outside, cook at the restaurant, and that's it. I know. I know. So this is a really good, we did an upgrade on this range, but I'm thinking to change it too. So I know I'm telling you all the changes that I'm going to do, but yeah, also I'm not too keen about microwave on the top. So I'm sure this in the long run may be gone and I would just put a hood instead. But what I'm so excited are these cabinets. They are just so beautiful. I decided to go with white on this side, just more classy, something that I can change anytime. Another color that I wanted it's a little bit darker, kind of like a honey color for this area, for the island, but they didn't have that available. So you're able to figure out, and from what you may be hearing is that we just had to work with what we had. They're still doing construction out there. There's more homes being made. I went ahead and decided to take the cabinets all the way up. That was something super, super important for me because I wanted it for the space to feel even taller. It's tall. The house is tall, but I just wanted to give a little bit more of a grand kind of effect. We need to get a fridge here for sure. And then we have this little kind of bar area where, we plan to have obviously wine and, perhaps some cocktails. I really love this beautiful tile. I think it's very classic, and because I'm thinking to play around my color palette, some of the colors are going to be between the white cream, a little bit of this honey color, neutrals, natural. I don't want to go much into grays anymore, but I'm happy that it's here to pull within the gray veining of the quartz. So yeah, here we'll definitely go the coffee machine. We're left with, this will be our main dining area, and this will be our living room, which is, if I'm telling you the things that I dislike, it's like, why is the window off center? Windows off center. This is center, but not the you see, in my designer mind, there's things that they need to be changed. So anyhow, here, when I'm planning, as you can tell, it has the thing to, plug in a TV. I'm thinking to costume made a fireplace. Obviously, we're going to do it slowly because all of this is just very expensive for us. Also because we have to work on that yard. That yard is not that big, but we have plans for it. Love my floors. So pretty. Now, there is a reason why the floors, I decided to go. If you notice, usually when you install your floors, whatever your main door opens is kind of the direction that is going towards. I decided to do it differently, and I have a reason why. It's mainly because my focal points in each of these rooms are going to be at the direction of the floor panels. In addition to that, I just wanted it to go cohesive with the stairs. I didn't show you here, but we have a little powder room. Nothing fancy, as you can tell. Very, very simple. Like perhaps way too simple, right? So it looks nice, and little by little we will be upgrading things as time goes by. We have here a little kind of closet. Here's the garage door. Now let me take you up here. We decided to go with these rails, which I think they are just so pretty, bringing a little bit of that iron elements, wood. You see, I wanted this wood for the cabinets, but they didn't have it available for the kitchen cabinets, which I was like, why? So at least I have it right here. I also wanted this rail to go along this side, but again, something that it wasn't available. Okay, quickly here, this is my walk-in closet. This is mine. It's very simple, as you can tell. It does have a light though. And the good thing is can lights too. For right now it's good. Later on I may want to do nothing too fancy because there's not a lot of room in here to do so, but just something, some cabinets and whatnot. And then here, this is the walk-in closet for my husband. So a little bit smaller, not that deep, but I think a good size in general. They didn't give us the option to make this just part of the bathroom, but it's okay. We can always change it. This is our master bedroom. Okay, things that, like I was saying, I didn't like much is that we have windows here, right? Window here, window here. There wasn't really, I know it's so glare. There wasn't really an option to have just a wall. I know it will have make a little bit darker the room, but hey, sunny California. Sunny California, right? So, hi, I'm here. This is my bathroom. you're gonna see a lot of like skincare videos and get ready with me here. The shower, I think is super nice. We went with this tile that looks actually like linen. It's beautiful. Not very excited about that. I wish it was there, but we have a kind of so, I mean, little tweaks here and there. I decided to do not get a niche for the shower. That's just me. Hi again, it's me. And then we have, this is nothing interesting, but you know what is here. The toilet. So let me just turn off these lights. And now, let's go to the other rooms. This is one of the rooms. One thing that I recall from the model is that this was supposed to be a sliding door, and I didn't realize why we have now a door. But anyhow, it's kind of like a walk-in closet, which makes it really good. Yeah, I mean, I know the views are not the best, but yeah, there you have it. There's here the laundry room. So I decided not to go with a sink. I just feel like it wasn't really a need, but yes, with the cabinets. There's another room right here, and you can see there's construction going on there. So we don't have like, after all these houses are done, we don't have like an incredible view, but just of mostly houses. We do have a little bit of view of mountains there. So that's one thing, points off, that we don't have. Listen, friends, California, if, this is kind of what you get for a lot of money. Perhaps this will be kind of like a mansion if I decided to move to Texas. So tile floors here. This is the restroom that my children are going to be sharing. Just turn on the lights here. This one does have a shower and a bathtub. Very roomy and spacious. Bathtub, actually deep, very deep, which I love. The last room is this one here. I think this one, my kids are debating which one to get. So this one has a bigger walk-in, like not super big, but a bigger walk-in closet than the first one that I'll show you. Here, let's go downstairs. And I love the color of this wood. It's just so good. So yummy, scrumptious. And yep. This is home now. This is my new home. And I'm just so happy to welcome you in. So that being said, the content of my YouTube channel is not going to change, but definitely because I'm going to be busy moving and doing, other things for the house, I think we're going to start doing more vlogs, just doing a little bit of a mix of things between decluttering too. I need to do a ton of decluttering, which is the perfect season. I don't know if you're interested for me to do a blog sale. Otherwise, I will put it on my Mercari or Poshmark. But definitely we're going to be doing a lot of declutter because I want to just bring here whatever really serve my needs and the needs of my family. Well, friends, I'm back in the car because my battery just completely ran out. But yeah, now it's out. My secret is out. I have no idea what's going to be the next vlog or sit down video. I do not know, but definitely you're going to be seeing a mix of different things from this side of the screen. So come along with me, and thank you so much for your support. Bye-bye.